Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide a filter on Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then swipe over to start creating a story, and now you are able to select any effect, and then you can in that simple way record short video with that old photo or old video effect, and if you hit at that arrow icon and share that story, your followers will be able to see the name of that filter. If you want to hide that information from your story, you should hit right here at 3 dots icon and then hit on save. That saves this story as a video at your camera roll. So now you can go out of here, and instead of shooting a video, you should tap right here at camera roll icon, and now you are able to select that video from your camera roll, and then you can share this story with your followers in that simple way. And no one will be able to see the exact filters you applied. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.